welcome back to a new video. Today's video is specially made for the students. In this video, we will cover so many things that will help your life.
This is our first video about tips and tricks to become smarter. With the help of simple tools, smart tips, and increase your scores rapidly. So let's begin this new adventure of learning.
This is the summary that what you'll learn today. We are going to see Gen Z's study hacks and the tricks that actually work. So let's move forward. How to score like a topper. Third thing, we are going to see smart homework tricks you have never tried. Starting things starts. This is Gen Z study hacks. Starting number 1, question practice with Merlin.ai. This AI is a powerful tool to build your practicing question techniques and methodology. It's 100% free, useful content and concept clarity. It gives you a clear mind map of your revision. So make sure you search in the Google Merlin.ai and start preparing. Here's a small video or tutorial for you to understand how to use it.
In the search bar, and then we'll have to type here Merlin AI. After that, we'll have to tap on search. So in here, as you can see, we have this Merlin AI. What we need to do is to tap on this one. So here, for us to use Merlin AI, what we need to do is to add the extensions to our prompt. To do that, simply tap on this add to prompt option, and then after that, tap on this add to extensions option. After that, we will be automatically redirected to Merlin AI website. So in here, we can now start using Merlin AI. To do that, we'll have to go at the bottom part of the screen, and then in here, we'll have to type our instructions. So as an example, I'm going to ask, show me a sample follow-up letter. Once I'm done, we'll just have to tap on this ask option. And as you can see here, it automatically processed my request. So now it is showing me different follow-up letters. If you want to stop the process of showing samples, all you need to do is to tap on this stop option. So as you can see here, it automatically showed me different sample letters, from following up a job application, and then to following up after a networking event, and there are other more sample letters here. So for you to use Merlin AI, all you need to do is to go at the bottom part of the screen and then ask or type your instructions. So
you have seen the tutorial. That is just a first method that you can use Merlin.ai. I'll show you a demonstration. Just go to Chrome and type Merlin.ai. There on the first link, just click it and open and ask, I need to prepare a question practice test. So give me questions based on our class 10 social, maths or science or anything what you like, and specify the chapter or anything else needed and just hit enter and ask. The practice test questions will appear, more competency based or CBSE based or simple based or hot question, for which you can learn so many things. Next, practice test with Conquer AI. This is a helpful tool for you. This will help us to make a better test ideology. Before going to school, you will know how to write a test. If a school conducts a test in it, then you can prepare it way before so that you can be confident that you can easily crack that test in your school. So just go to Chrome and search Conquer.ai. Here you can create mock tests, focus on weak areas, and you can do last minute preparations. So next up in our journey is going to be the theory subject hacks. This you can use if you don't like just reading the books. You can use this theory like natural reader. Natural reader will help you as a friend. You just need to search in the Google natural reader or go to Play Store and just type natural reader and install it, and give all the study materials to read aloud. and choose what your tone, strength, or anything you like, and adjust it according, and it will read for you in that speed and that pace. So your audio memory will increase, you can learn while relaxing, and the natural reader will read aloud while you do anything. For example, walking. The next thing in our journey is going to be the homework trick. The most important point in today's video is going to be this homework trick. There are basically two conditions to use this trick which I found. Condition 1, exams are near and homework is more. Solution, use the trick. Step 1, how to use. Use ChatGPT to generate answers to your questions. Ask GPT accordingly and appropriately about your questions and get answers. Step 2, paste them into a text to handwriting site and adjust the formatting and printing etc. according to your handwriting. And just click enter and a PDF will come. Just take a printout and give it. This is for condition 1. In case you have second condition, exams are not near but homework is heavy. Same trick for smart time management. Don't overuse, just for when time's tight. The last thing in our thing is how to score the study formula. Starting from strategy, consistency, organization, revision and execution. Strategy. You have to plan accordingly what lessons you want to learn and what will be easy for you or what will be hard for you. Consistency. You have to read that hard subject daily or at least 2 times in a week so that you can make it stronger. Organization. In organization, so for the organization, just plan accordingly what you will learn first. For example, the most important thing that you need to learn in that day. The second thing, what you do the list. The third thing, the reward of reading the book. You can select whatever reward for you. The fourth thing is revision. You have to prepare and revise every day so that you do not forget the thing which you have been studying. The fifth thing is execution. You have to execute, not just listening. Execution is the most important thing in this entire video. So don't forget to execute, not just to listen. How you can apply score daily in your day-to-day. First, plan week with sticky notes. Second thing, use a to-do list daily. Third, revise small portions every day. Fourth, time constraint answers. So, this is the end of our video. You are now ready to become a study god like this. Thanks for watching. Share your favorite hack below in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe for more study god tips. Till then, peace out.